What's going on, Texas Coastal? Today I'm here wrapping a 23-foot show water for a customer and a good friend. He wanted the trailer done and wants the boat wrap on the sides, doing the console. I got everything de-rigged right now. I already started doing the trailer, as y'all could see. But yeah, a lot of y'all might not know, but some of y'all that know me before, I started doing other things. I've always been in printing and always did graphic design, build websites and stuff like that, do embroidery, vehicle wraps, banners, signage. So I always did printing and draw. So, just trying to get the shop back in order. It's been a minute. Just working, man. Got all the stuff off of the boat, some of the hatches and stuff. Got to clean it up. You got to clean up the surface real good. It's got to be real clean. Got to get all the dirt and the grime off. I don't know if you can see those finger streaks. Yeah. So boat gets a lot of salt water and stuff on it. Just gonna clean it up. Got some 3M vinyl and 3M cut tape that I'm gonna be trimming the boat out with. Already did the other side. Let's see here. See, I already kind of lined up the boat with this green 3M trim, so that way after I apply the graphics, you can just come back and peel that tape and it'll cut the graphics real good. And 3M primer. And then also, you're gonna need edge sealer, so that way, whenever you're complete with the wrap at the edges, you go ahead and put this film down, so that way the water pressure can't get up under the wrap and tear your wrap up. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Hopefully you'll like this one. Get it together. I gotta start cleaning this console, so I'll get back with you when I start putting the graphics on. All right, boys and girls, I got it all taped up right now. Got it alcohol down, cleaned it up best as I can. Removed all these rod holders, removed the gas cap, got the 3M tape, about to primer up the boat real quick on the console, so that way it could dry. Got to get this screwdriver here, open up this can. All right. So, give y'all a little rundown. This 3M primer, you want to put it all up here on the, like the bends, the places where it looks like the wrap might lift. You gotta help it with some adhesion. And this is gonna help the vinyl. 3M basically help it here, and then I'll go back and clean up some of this right here. Good for now. I'll let that dry, get the vinyl, start applying. Put that down. All right, fellas, so I peeled the backing off, and I'm gonna line up the graphic to the console where I see fit, and I'm just kind of soft tacking it. And basically, what you want to do is try to let it lay as naturally as possible. That lug over there, I gotta make sure it clears. Yep. Yep. All right. That's good right there. I'm gonna tack that there. All right.
Bad to the bone. That's what you wanted?
Mm-hmm. Still got this side to do. One side left. I'll do that tomorrow. Your boy getting old, man. So this side's all done. Trailer, both sides, console. Gotta put the edge sealer on it, like I showed y'all earlier. And then basically that's a wrap. Well, Texas Coastal got the boat wrap done. Customer's gonna pick up tomorrow. So I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, so next time we post something, y'all boys will know. Later.